Hi there, welcome to www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. Today we're going to take a look at calculations involving or using probability. So we've got a couple of examples we're going to go over using basic straightforward probability and how that would be used in some examples in real life. So the first one we've got, the probability of an egg being broken in a packet of eggs is 1 in 45. So if there's a crate of eggs that contains 2,115 eggs, how many eggs would you expect to be broken? Okay, so basically, with your probability, you're finding a fraction of a number. That's what it's asking you to do here. It's saying 1 in 45 eggs is expected to be broken in transport or whatever. So if you have a crate of containing 2,115, how many are going to be broken? Well, 1/45th of 2,115. Okay, if we type that into the calculator, that should give us 47 eggs. It's quite a straightforward process and nothing too tricky about it. It's just making sure you interpret and understand what probability actually means in this context. Okay, next one, a little bit more involved, this one. So Amazon warehouse ships out 12,285 packages on one day. The probability of some of those packages being returned is 1 out of 63, or 1/63rd, and 281 of the packages are actually returned. Is this more or less than expected? So it's asking you to do the same thing. It's asking you to calculate what should be returned, what they would expect to be returned, but they're then telling you how much was actually returned and asking you to compare that value. Okay, so we start off the same way as we did with the previous question. A 63rd of 12,285, which is 195 packages returned. Okay, so once you've calculated that, we want to compare that to the 281 that were actually returned. So that's the expected return rate, and you can see the returns they actually got was quite a bit higher. So you would, is this more or less than expected? This is more than expected because the expected amount was only 195, since 281 is more than or is greater than 195. If you just want to write the words is greater than or is more than, that'll be fine as well. Or you can use the inequality arrow to describe more than or less than for your comparison. But the question is asking you for directly a statement. Is this more or less than expected? And you're expected to put a bit of a comparison in as well with that, kind of justifying your answer. So make sure you don't miss that part out because that'll be worth a mark. Okay, so that's how probability works in context type questions where you're not calculating the probability, but you're using the probability in another part of a calculation. Hopefully you found that useful. For more videos and resources, please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. If you like the video, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe, and please remember and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching and have a math magical day.